Hey guys, welcome back to Tim's Tech. It's been a while. This video I'll be showing you my main rig. Here we have an old HP case. It's my sleeper build. I put new parts in an old case, that's what they call a sleeper build. Take you around the case. We got two slots here for DVDs, DVD drives. Got my card reader. Got your regular front panel USB FireWire, which is not plugged in, and 3 audio. Got the little door there. Got the power button, hard drive LED. Take you around the back. We got power supply. I believe it is a 450 watt. Got your PS2 port, 2 USB 2s, your VGA, DVI, HDMI. Got USB 3.0, more USB 2s, Ethernet, more audio, onboard audio. I put a modem card in there, don't use it right now. And I put another Sound Blaster card in there, and it works good. And on the side you have your Vance HP. Let's take a look on the inside. I don't remember what brand it is, but it is I believe a 450 watt power supply here. Got a case fan there. Got 2 DVD drives. Got my 500 gigabyte boot drive. I don't have my storage drive in there yet, but that's a 1 terabyte Seagate. This one's a 500 gigabyte Seagate. Let's see, we got under this fan here, we have a Core i7 running at 3.4 gigahertz. Very quick. You got your PCI video card slot, PCIe. That's where the modem card is, sound card. And you got another PCIe slot for another video card. Then you got 6 SATA ports. Plug 6 SATA devices in here. All your front panel connectors in the bottom there. Go up, you got 4 memory slots. It has a total of 8 gigabytes of DDR3, I believe. But the motherboard is a gigabyte. If we can focus here. A gigabyte GA277 Z77M D3H. Its onboard graphics is, I believe it's, can't remember offhand what it is. It might be an NVIDIA chipset on there. Let's see, bad cable management here. But all around, it's a good computer. It won't fail. I recommend getting gigabyte boards. This has a stock CPU cooler also that I got off Amazon for about $10, maybe a little more. And this computer, I built it from scratch parts. I didn't pay anything on it. I found the computer on the side of the road, and it works fine. They threw it out because I don't know why they threw it out, but it was a good find for me. I'm not going to go on screen right in this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, like my Facebook page. It'll be in the description. Until next time, we'll have a great day.